Pasado alas 12 na ng tanghali, mahigit 2 oras nang magsimula ang unang hearing ng House Infrastructure Committee sa mga maanumalyang flood control project sa bansa. Pero hindi pa rin nakapagsalita ang ni isa sa 11 contractor na dumalo sa sesyon. Ilang beses kasing nagkainitan sa pagdinig, gawa ng iba't ibang inihain na mosyon ng mga miyembro ng komite. Una rito ang motion for full disclosure ni Akbayan Representative Chel Jokno. Ani Jokno, kinakailangan munang i-disclose ng mga miyembro ng joint panel ang kanilang financial and business interests para masigurong walang conflict of interest sa investigasyon. Ang tensyon sa pagitan ng House panel nauwi pa sa isang motion to adjourn.
Just a clarification, having ruled on the motion already, Congressman, the full disclosure will be obtained from each and every member. How do we go about it? Should it be a written disclosure? Just to be clear about it, there is a motion, duly approved, carried. Now, how do we implement that?
Mr. Chair, I move to adjourn.
Kaya pansamantala munang sinuspinde ni House Public Accounts Committee Chair Terry Redon ang sesyon. Naaprubahan naman ang mosyon ni Jokno at inatasan ang mga miyembro ng House Joint Panel na isumite through writing ang kanilang financial and business interests sa loob ng 5 working days. Sumunod naman ang sagutan ni na Deputy Speaker at Iloilo Representative Janet Garin at Navotas Representative Toby Tiangco.
Let us not make the investigation personal. Let us all work together so that in the 2026 budget, while we are ongoing the deliberation, let us identify yung mga singit na flood control projects.
Mr. Chair, yun na nga ang problema, no? Nung unang ginawa to, I was against it. How can we investigate ourselves? That is the primary question. Under the name of Congressman Saldico, ang insertion sa BICAM as proponent siya is 13,803,693,000. And we do not want to invite him as a resource person.
Mr. Chair,
Comsec, can you show this? Para lang
yeah. Mr. Chair, with due court.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
Yeah,
I have the floor.
No, Mr.
I have the floor.
Just to run
I have the floor.
on the record, Mr.
I have the floor.
You did not refuse
Suspend. I have the floor. Suspend. Motion to suspend.
Mr.
Nag-ugat ito sa mosyon ni Caloocan Representative Egay Erice na imbitahan sina former House Appropriations Committee.
So, ito lang po ang ating news update ngayon mga kadiyo. And please comment down below kung ano ang masasabi nyo sa video na ito. And please, pakisupport naman ang ating Facebook page para magpatuloy pa tayo sa paggawa ng bagong news update. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw.